So I'm from Toronto, Canada, and to give you a bit of background, I've always been unhappy with my overbite. It's caused a lot of trouble in terms of chewing and eating properly, and aesthetically, my side profile. It's not optimized in my view, and so that's something that I always wanted to change. Went to doctors in Toronto. We've got a fine stable of dentists, and the consensus really was that we can change your bite using porcelain veneers, but we're really going to have to grind down your teeth, use a lot of needles, and we're going to put in temporaries. Hopefully the bite works because they've already ground down your teeth. You're stuck with the temporaries, and then you got to go in for the permanent. So it seemed like a very long process. And fortunately, I did some research and I found Dr. Muslim, watched practically all of his videos. He's a bit of a mini celebrity in the dental community on YouTube. And, he had a very innovative way. He's the inventor of the venlay restorations. So he actually works directly hands-on with the porcelain. So you know exactly what's going into your mouth from start to finish, which I was very impressed with. And I think the key for me really was the fact that there would be no drilling or no grinding involved with my teeth. So my original tooth structure would be preserved, and on top of it, I'd get this, wonderful new enhancement that would actually protect my existing teeth. As you can see, there's a tremendous difference. Personally, it's made a big difference in terms of my bite. My chin looks a lot more masculine. The big selling factor, if you will, was the fact that, there was no pain and there was no, there was preservation of your existing anatomy and your existing tooth structure, which to me is quite significant because why should you have to give up something that's already there to gain another benefit? It just didn't make logical sense to me.